Hello everyone, welcome to Ambara's Craft House. My name is Ambara. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an infinity card. In previous video, I have shown you a infinity card, but this one is different from the previous one. And for this you will require a paper sheet, sketch pens for decoration, pencil, and pen, scissor, and a scale. So before making a actual one, I will recommend you to make a rough one, so you will have idea of what exactly you have to do. Firstly, take out a square sheet of rough paper. Then fold it. So you will have squares, 4 by 4 16 squares on your paper sheet. Now fold your paper into half like this and cut the inner squares, means this portion. um, Here you have 16 squares, so you have to cut the middle portion of 4 squares. So fold it into half and cut the middle portion like this. So it will look like this. Now you have to fold it like this, one side, then another side, then again another side, and the last one. Now just take this part out and fold this edge inside this part like this, and push it inside. It was like this. Open this portion, take this edge and fold it or push it inside this portion, then gently start pushing this like this. Ready. Look, it opens infinite times. So in same way you have to make a actual one. Now you have idea of what you have to do. So here I have a paper sheet. Now I'm gonna fold it into 4. You can use a scissor to fold. Actually makes very difference. gives you very smooth and sharp folds. So here we are done with 4 folds. Now we have 16 folds on a square paper. Now fold it into half and cut the middle portion, means the middle 4 squares. Cut this out, fold it into half. Just be careful that you can not cut the other sides. You will no longer require this. Okay. Now fold this upper side like this left one side, the down side and the right side. Now see carefully, open the right side of folded card. Now this, put your one finger through this one and make it curvy. Keep it open like this. This edge, fold it like this, and now gently push this one. Use your fingers in this way. Push this one inside this portion. You have to fold this portion inside this one. Okay. And you are done. You can decorate it as you want. Here we are done with the decorating. You can decorate it as you want, or the best part to decorate it is to stick your photos on this entire portion. Just make sure you have cut the photos in 4 parts before applying it on this paper. Now see, it opens infinite times. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do like this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye.